Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I've got another product review from this fantastic company called Mtrvr. Here's your light. This is where the actual light comes out of, and you can just, and there you have it. You've got this really lightweight, I think it's aluminium, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections that it goes up, so you can actually sort of have it at any height that you would like, and the light itself is underneath and it will illuminate everything from there. So let's have a look at the light modes. So mode 1 is 100% brightness, and this will last for approximately 7 hours of use. If you go down to mode 2, this is 70% brightness, and they reckon this will give you 11 hours of use. And if you go down to mode 3, which is 30% brightness, they say this will give you 21 hours of use. It can actually be used as a power bank. So you've got your USB-C connection just there. So you can actually, while you've got the light on, you can actually sit there and charge your phones, probably charge a laptop off this as well, while you're sitting outside all lit up. It's incredible. But the actual beauty of this is it actually supports solar charging as well. Incredible. So you can charge it up during the daytime from the sunlight and then use it to illuminate yourself at night.